Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna do a chili. I'm gonna do a quick chili. It's gonna be keto friendly because if you're just starting off with keto, according to Dr. Berg, you're not supposed to have legumes. So you guys can check that video out. I've been on keto for a little bit now. I am gonna do the 20-gram carb count basically. So I'll have chili for lunch, a nice bowl, and then that's it for the day. If I get hungry late, I'll probably do a salad or maybe a cute lettuce wrap. So yeah, just be aware of that. So for this recipe, you'll need some onions, some red pepper, green pepper, sour cream, cheese for garnish. Like I said, the kidney beans, you can leave those out if you choose to. Ground beef. Now, I bought this in a pack of 3. You guys can look for that at the supermarket, and I separate them. I date it normally and, use one at a time. So this is super convenient. I love Ziploc bags, as you guys know. And this is, if you don't have one, it's really cheap. It's about, $10, $15, but it's it helps you to save time. You can do this ahead of time. Last night, I chopped up my onions, my green peppers, and my red peppers just to save some time here. So, and then you'll need just some salt and pepper as well. Okay, so let's get started with our delicious 20-minute keto-friendly chili. Okay guys, so for chili powder, we're gonna go ahead and use this organic chili powder. Camera needs to focus here. There we go. All right, so there's organic chili, pepper, organic spices, a little salt, and silicon dioxide that says added to make free-flowing and organic garlic. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4 ingredients in the chili powder I'm going to use today, as opposed to, and no shade, because I used to use this all the time. It's super convenient. There's 3 steps to it, but look at all the ingredients in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it says contains 2% or less of sugar, citric acid, vegetable oil, and a ton of other stuff. I'm not sure what that means. So yeah. So we're gonna go ahead and use this for today. All right, so we're gonna let some of that fat render out before we add our delicious green peppers, red peppers, and onions. I love green peppers with ground beef. In a burger and meatloaf. I can't eat ground beef in those things without a green pepper in it. Just give that a little cover. It smells so good in here. Okay, so I'm gonna cover this and let the onions become translucent, as well as the green peppers get a little soft. And then we'll come back. Okay guys, let's see how we're doing. Ooh. Perfect. Hey guys, so I'm gonna add a can of tomato paste. This was in my video that I did yesterday. This is a sugar-free, salt-free. I'm gonna go ahead and add my kidney beans. I like a lot of chili. I'm just gonna add a little bit of chicken stock to give it a little more flavor. Okay guys, so our chili is basically done. We're gonna cover this and let it simmer for about 5 minutes so everything can marry together. And then it is time to eat. Okay guys, I think it's time to eat. Let's see how we're doing. Ooh, delish. All right, we are all set. That took about 20 minutes. Like I said, if you want to pre-prep your veggies, the night before to save you time. But that is a beautiful pot of chili. Okay guys, so it is time to eat. I added a little cheddar cheese, a dollop of sour cream, and I'm gonna have it with these siete tortilla chips that I got. These are delicious. And here are the ingredients. Where are we? So yeah, let's give our chili. Ooh. Look at that. That is, and get a little bit of that sour cream. That is a bite. Ooh.